Hi, I'm Kyle Westerman, and this is my goals presentation. Personal info. I have been teaching for 7 years. I currently work at Oxford Junior High and High School. I teach 7th and 8th grade history, but I also teach junior high PE and high school strength and conditioning. I am married. My wife is also a teacher. She's been a teacher for 8 years. She started out in the special education program and is now the deaf and hard of hearing teacher for Cali County. We also have 2 boys, a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. My educational background, I got a bachelor's from Fort Hays State University in 2009 of just a general education degree. I then went back to Emporia State University to complete my history teaching degree in 2014. And then I am currently in the master's program at Fort Hays State University and should graduate this spring of 2021. My personal goals for the next 1 to 5 years, just continue to support my family and raise my kids in this area, try to fix up a house that we bought here in town, and then possibly add to our family as well. The next 5 to 10 years, continue current lifestyle. I enjoy teaching and coaching and spending time outdoors. But our ultimate goal is to purchase land in the country and start plans to build a house. And hopefully, in the personal goals in the next 10 plus years, hopefully we build our forever home in the country and we watch our kids graduate high school and continue their lives away from us. Professional goals for the next 1 to 5 years. I want to continue teaching and coaching here at Oxford. I enjoy a small community. I grew up in a small community like Oxford. And then possibly after I finish my master's this spring, look into an administration job, possibly. But I want to stay in this area. The next 5 to 10 years, start a job as an administrator and possibly look into starting my district level certificate. Here at Oxford, our high school junior high principal is also our superintendent, and that is what she had done is after she was administrator at Mulvane, she got her district level certificate and is now the superintendent and principal here at Oxford. So I would look into getting that. And professional goals for 10 plus years. Continue my job as administrator. Would be happy to stay in Oxford or another small community in the area. And then possibly go to a bigger school and find a job as an assistant superintendent. Why FHSU? I did choose FHSU because it is where I started my college career. As you can see, my flag here in the behind me. I played football at Fort Hays and absolutely loved it, getting my first degree there. But then also Fort Hays also offered a complete online program, which you have to have being a teacher and a parent and a coach. You need a program that is completely online to be able to earn your administrative degree. And then my expectations of the program. My expectations for this program are to prepare me for a job as an administrator. I'm also hoping this program prepares me for the test to get my license as an administrator. Thank you.